What up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys my updated morning skincare routine. First, I cleanse my skin with Sunjeong Peach 5.5 Foam Cleanser. You guys might know Etude House Sunjeong Whip Cleanser is my all-time favorite, but I like to use this foam cleanser in the morning because this is even more mild than Whip Cleanser and it doesn't irritate my skin at all. Using cleanser in the morning can help you remove dirt on your skin, so I create bubbles, cleanse my skin slightly, and rinse my skin with lukewarm water. Then I wipe my face with a towel and follow with Cosrx Pure Fit Cica Serum, which is packed with Centella Asiatica. It's a perfect serum that can soothe my skin even before something happens to my skin. I, to be honest, don't have a good diet habits or good sleeping habits recently. I drink a lot, I love carbs, and I sometimes sleep for only about 4 hours, and I just can't fix that. So it's so important to applying serum that can calm down my skin at the first step of my skincare. And this serum perfectly works for my skin. And next is Be Plain Chamomile Toner. My skin gets dehydrated easily, so I used to do 3 skin method. But this toner hydrates my skin sufficiently and it also leaves a tad bit of oil on my skin. So I just put this toner once on my skin with my hands and pat my face gently so that my skin absorbs hydration deep inside. The pH level of this toner is 5.5, which is perfect for our skin, so it's good for my red and easily breaking out skin. Then I blow dry my hair and I wear a sunscreen that is clear, soft, airy UV essence. It doesn't leave white cast at all, and this is how I skip a cream or lotion step in the morning because it's super moisturizing. The finish of this sunscreen is kinda humid if I use this with a lotion or a cream. But that means I can skip lotion and cream with this sunscreen. It doesn't dry my skin throughout the day and it softly covers my skin. So that's all, and since Seoul is getting hot and humid, I've recently updated my skincare routine for this weather. So I hope you guys find this video helpful for your area also. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and click subscribe button, and 안녕!